Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data on your Apple Watch. Your Apple Watch is a powerful health and fitness companion, constantly gathering valuable information about your body and activity levels. We'll explore how it collects metrics like your heart rate, daily movement, and sleep quality. Understanding this data can empower you to achieve your wellness goals, whether it's closing your activity rings or improving your sleep hygiene. Let's dive into making the most of your personal health insights. Let's focus on the core of Apple Watch data: health and fitness. Your watch continuously monitors crucial metrics like your heart rate, providing insights into your cardiovascular health. The iconic activity rings, move, exercise, and stand, offer a clear visual of your daily progress. Aim to close these rings each day to ensure you're getting enough physical activity. You can easily set and adjust your personal goals within the Activity app, tailoring them to your fitness journey and aspirations. Customizing how you see and manage your data is key. You can personalize your watch face with complications, displaying essential metrics like your activity rings or current heart rate at a glance. It's also crucial to understand your privacy settings. Through the Health app on your iPhone, you have full control over which applications can access your health data. Always review these permissions to ensure your personal information is shared only with trusted apps and services, maintaining your digital privacy. To unlock even more from your Apple Watch data, consider integrating with third-party apps. Many excellent applications can provide specialized tracking for activities like cycling or meditation, enriching your overall data picture. For long-term analysis, you can export your health data from the Health app, allowing you to spot trends over months or even years. Remember to manage background app refresh for data-heavy apps to optimize battery life, ensuring your watch is always ready to track your next move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.